SimpleCut software can open existing embroidery designs and extract the pieces from the applique to be cut with the digital cutter. To get started, select the new icon to start a new design. Place a bullet for cut, and you'll need to place a bullet for embroidery so that we can open an embroidery design. Select Next. Select a color of fabric you'd like to work on and select Next. Place a bullet in From Embroidery and select the 3 dots to browse on your computer to open up your embroidery design. You'll find that the software opens almost any embroidery format. I'm going to select my design and preview it and select Open. Then Next. You can see the number of colors in your design and Finish. You'll want to find the outline for the applique itself. I can see in this applique design that it's going to be the black lines that I'll want to select. When embroideries are brought into the software, they come in as raw data. You'll see the light bulbs underneath indicate that auto sequence is turned on. We'll want to deselect auto sequence, so click on the icon and then select Nothing to turn off the auto sequence function. Deselect. Use the plates in the Sequence Manager to select each of the applique items. Hold down the Shift key while selecting each one of the plates and double check that they are selected. Come up to Edit and Invert Selection. This will select everything except the embroidery design. Tap the Delete key on your keyboard and all that remains are the outlines for the applique. You have your embroidery design saved elsewhere, so it's not necessary to have it here in the cutting design. Drag a bounding box to select each one of the components or use an Edit Select All and right-click to select Convert to Curves. This changes the stitch file to an outline that the software can use. In the Fill tab, select Artwork and come down to the Fill Properties and select None. Select an outline color for your applique pieces, and while they're still selected, in the Outline tab, select Cut. Deselect and come up to the Select Techniques icon and deselect Embroidery and OK. Now the only remaining items are the files ready to go to the cutter. To create more than one, use the Rectangular Array tool. Select it, and you'll multiply the number of pieces. I have 2 copies going across, 2 copies going down, and I can apply that rectangular array. To cut all the pieces at one time while they're all selected, right-click in the selected area and select Combine. The design is now ready to export to the cutter.